To the end?
Yeah, till the end is green now. Till that Lavender Junction 8 to Challenge 8 plus 800. So we're focused on this side. We come into this side is very bad. But we allow the traffic to pass this side. Focus on that side. So this
I don't know, say we can't touch it. And also that side here, that side is also
So good. I've seen what they are doing, solid work, good work. But the problem I have with this level of speed. You see, people are crying on this road, and we just have to do something so that we can relieve them from it. Now he's talking about the second segment of the road, which is another 7 kilometers. But just apart from the construction of the road, the drainage is also very much important, because they stop somewhere. The design, I don't know what kind of design is that somebody have to stop at the middle of town. Where is the water going to? So we are going to look into that also, so that we can take the drainage out of town, then take it out of town, so that we have a good road. Even when they finish construction, without proper drainage, we will not have a good road. So that is most key for us. People are crying over this road, so what else can we do than to do it? That is why we are out this evening to check and see the level of work done.
My name is Theo. I'm from CBC Global. We are the contractor of this Benin-Sapele road. Till now, our projects, including this 14 kilometers in town and also 7 kilometers out of town. Right now, we've finished almost 1.7 kilometers pavement in town section. And also the stone base, we finished another 3 kilometers in town, so excluding the pavement. And also we're planning to do this another 7 kilometers starting from the bridge till behind. And we have started, so it means we have two groups of people working simultaneously. So I think we could achieve something before the next rainy season. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay.
The road is not too good though.
Okay, but government here now, come check out.
Thank God that government came to see it, and I'm very happy.
What is your challenge this year?
I was a commercial driver because the road has been giving us tough time. We can't work very well. Anytime we are working, we'll be thinking, thinking of mess so that things will not happen to your vehicle. Like the area now, like big tire that I bought. The your boss at Jeep. That was the day they pushed home. The your boss. But I'm very happy now that the government is doing it now. I hope God should give you the strength, the ability to finish up the work.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
But no mic. No worries.
Okay.
The
road is so bad, but seeing the governor here this evening means a lot. It means he has heard the cry of the people. I live on Sapele Road, and since I've been on Sapele Road, I've never seen the road like this. This has been the worst ever. But I'm so grateful to see Governor Okpebholo here this evening. Like, you said what? Today is Sunday 18th.
Your name, please.
My name is Mrs. Osarogie.
Oh.
Sorry? Osarogie Charity, and I work with Edo State Government. Thank you, Governor, for coming.